Hello everyone, and welcome back to the second video on my channel. Today I will be riding Oriental Express on Galbraith Mountain in Bellingham, Washington. It is the second half of the run called Air Chair, and it is slightly technical. This is me dropping into the run. It has a lot of loose rocks on the trail, and it is relatively easy to slip if you do not know what you're doing. However, it is a good starter run for beginners and average mountain bikers. This hill is relatively steep, however it is reduced in size by the GoPro's wide view angle. There's a total of 3 jumps on the trail, and there's a second jump, and the trail crosses lines with the way up. There's a small little gap right there, and there's the third jump. Alright, that about wraps it up for the exciting part of the trail. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is one of my favorite runs. It's good for a little morning ride, and I highly recommend it if you live in the local area. And if you don't, I highly recommend visiting either Galbraith or Duthie Mountain. Duthie Mountain is located in Issaquah, Washington, and Galbraith is located in Bellingham, Washington. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for riding with me. See you next time.